Okay, first up we have jalapeno cheese by Dea, Parmesan cheese by Follow Your Heart. We have some ranch dressing by Follow Your Heart. Onion powder, sour cream by Kite Hill, white onions diced, cheese by Philadelphia, it's plant-based, celery, half cup of butter by Country Crock, diced red bell pepper, fresh parsley, green onions diced, minced garlic, egg-roll wrappers by Twin Dragon, Philadelphia plant-based cream cheese, Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese, Kite Hill sour cream, chicken by 365. Plant-based, I use 2 bags of this. And the jalapeno by Dea. Buffalo sauce by Noble Made. It's dairy-free, medium heat. Follow Your Heart ranch dressing. So those are the ingredients, guys. Let's cook. And I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. I'm using a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to add the white onions, add the celery, and I'm going to add the red bell pepper. Add the garlic. Chicken. Okay, so I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And add some pepper. You can season to taste. I'm going to add in some parsley. I'm going to add some chopped green onions. So now I'm going to add the ranch dressing. So I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add the sour cream. And then I'm going to add the jalapeno cheese to it. God, it smells good. It smells good. So I'm going to put the lid on here and let the cheese melt. So you're going to start with a 1/2 cup of butter. I'm going to add a cup of buffalo wing sauce. So we're going to bring that to a boil. Okay, so now I'm going to add that. And now I'm going to add the buffalo sauce into the chicken. Okay, so now let's do the cups. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Spread that around in here. I don't think it will stick, but better be safe than sorry, right? I'm going to spread a little bit on the shell as well. These shells are kind of big, so you can just kind of form them to your liking, like I'm going to do. And so we're going to fill the cups now. Okay, so I'm going to go pop these in the oven. Let them cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this is how they look. But notice that the bottom is not fully cooked, so I had to transfer it over to a rack with holes in it so that I can put it back in the oven and let the bottom cook. So you're going to start off in the muffin pan, and then you're going to remove them once it holds the form, and then you're going to place it on a wire rack or a rack with holes. Okay, I'll be back to show you the finished product. Hey guys, and there you have it. Buffalo spring rolls. Okay, and so you see the bottom, that's how it came out. It cooked all the way around. And I'm going to give it a taste, let you know what I think. Oh my God, that was good. Okay guys, thanks for vibing out with me. I am the Vegan Kitty, and this cat is out.